Hello, everyone. A very good morning to all of you. So, I'm Dr. Ankit Goel. I'm your mentor for the FRCS Urology course, and I'm here today to talk to you about the FRCS Urology course for the Section 1 and how you can make the best use of the resources, the online platform that we are providing. Most of you are practicing urologists. You have a busy schedule, and you find it very difficult to manage your work, your personal life, and your academics together. You're at that stage of your career where you cannot leave everything and you cannot just sit and study at home. It's not practically possible, it's not even required. I have been through this journey and I've realized the challenges that a candidate actually faces during the preparation. So I've come up with this idea of the FRCS Urology course, and we try to make things easier for you. How do we do it? The basic goals of the entire course, we divide it into two broad categories. If we talk about the goal, number one is to develop concepts. So our whole idea is to develop concepts on the different aspects of urology, to understand, to break the urology into 8 different sections and understand concepts of each and every topic and apply those concepts in solving the single best answer type questions. The second goal is to read the standard books. What are the standard books? We are aware of the standard books, the EAU guidelines, the Oxford textbook of urology, and the scientific basis. So you have to read their standard books, but they are such a huge volume and you don't know which part to read for which topic. So we are going to make it easy for you. Most of you must have gone through the books, but when it comes to applying those evidence in solving the questions, in solving the single best answers, candidates find it difficult. So our first goal is to help you in building concepts. Our second goal is to help you understand the literature, the standard literature, and we'll try to help you in remembering them by a lot of standard mnemonics, which will help you in understanding and remembering facts for a long time. Okay, let us understand how we do it. The course basically includes 16 online sessions, and we take sessions on the weekends because most of you are busy on the weekdays. We try to keep the sessions towards the evening on the weekend, and each session is about 2 hour duration. We take up topics and we discuss, we make it an interactive session with a lot of SBA discussions in every individual session. Now, you might find it difficult even on the weekend. You might miss out certain classes and you might not be able to attend all the sessions. Don't worry about it. We provide recording to you after each and every session, and you will have access to all the recordings till your exams. The validity is for 6 months, and you will have your recording. Suppose you registered today for the March exam, on upcoming March Section 1 exam. So you will have your 6 months recording available so you can easily go through it. 6 months is the best time for your exam preparation. Some candidates who are into training can even make it up in 3 months. So 3 to 6 months is the best time. 6 months is a sufficient time for it. Now, apart from the live classrooms, recordings, we also provide you with 2 mock exams. We are going to conduct 2 online mock exams, and they will be conducted after half of the sessions are completed. That is, after 8 sessions, we will have 1 mock exam. And after we are done with all the 16 sessions, we will have the second mock exam. We conduct 2 mock exams during our course to help you analyze what your preparation status is and which are the weaker areas you need to emphasize and how you can compare yourself with the other candidates also. And that's going to give you a very important insight into your preparation. Now, regarding the strategy, what I always emphasize is you should be studying something every day. So keep it as 1 topic per day. For example, you take a 1 day standard test is complete it 1 day. Take it 1 day for 1 topic. Okay, you don't have to complete the whole pediatric in 1 day. It's not technically or practically feasible. Take a 1 topic from a section, do it 1 day. Try to read 1 topic every day, make concise notes out of it. So we'll be providing you notes. You can take down the notes during the classes or from the recordings that we provide. You can make your notes from that, but have your own handwritten notes always with you. And don't trust anything that you find online. Don't trust anything unless and until you have an evidence for that. Okay, so make your concise notes so that you can revise them before your exam. Don't make a 2 voluminous notes. If it is 100-page notes, you won't be able to revise everything before your exam. It will become like a textbook. So keep it short and concise and crisp so that you can go on your day before exam. And every percentages, every numbers, you don't have to remember, but there are certain things which you cannot forget as well. We are going to emphasize everything in the class. What are the things which should be known, should be memorized, and should be remembered, and how can we remember things? Okay, it's not technically possible to remember the facts, so we'll have mnemonics for them as well. See you soon in the classroom, and don't worry about the outcome of the exam. What is going to be the result? Don't worry about it. Enjoy the preparation, go through the standard literature, and if you have read from the standard sources, your success is automatically going to come. All the best, and see you soon in the classroom.